Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Then the Who's, young and old, would sit down for a feast. And they'd feast, and they'd feast, and they'd feast, 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 feast. Oh, off-screen narrator.
Yes?
I'm hungry. Feed me.
Excuse me?
Snack time. Me hungry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making the Grinch Popcorn. The ingredients that we're going to need today is 1 bag of microwave popcorn. I have a half a cup of red M&Ms, 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to need 3 cups of the mini marshmallows, and you want to reserve a half a cup for at the end. We're also going to need green food coloring. Okay, the first thing you want to do is pop your popcorn and put it into a large bowl. Next, you want to get your pot and you want to put your 3 tablespoons of butter in and let that melt. Okay guys, once your butter has melted, all you want to do now is add your marshmallows. And we're going to mix them until they're all coated with the butter and then until they're melted down. Okay guys, once all your marshmallows are melted, you want to take it off of the heat and we're just going to add some green food coloring in and mix that. Okay guys, next all you want to do is pour your marshmallows into the popcorn. You may want to do a little at a time, depends on how much you want in your popcorn. And then all we're going to do is mix our popcorn up real good. Okay guys, once your popcorn is mixed, all we're going to do is get a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil and add our popcorn to it. Okay guys, all I did was take the spatula and flatten out the popcorn. Now all you want to do is take your M&Ms and just drop them along onto the popcorn. These represent the Grinch's small heart. And also you want to take the half a cup of marshmallows and also add them onto your popcorn. Okay guys, now that it's done, we're going to transfer it to a bowl. Okay guys, your Grinch popcorn is ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.